What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hello, evening, sir. Here's the keys, and go easy on my right, mate.
Get Dora.
To see how much you could save on car insurance,
Get him.
go to geico.com. Burger King offers more for $4 with 5 for $4. Now get a flame grilled bacon cheeseburger, crispy 4-piece nuggets, thick cut fries, a drink and a cookie for just $4. It's not just a deal, it's a full meal. 5 items, $4. Get them now, only at Burger King. This is Henry. Expertise staining carpet. It is his life's work. He is relentless. He is resourceful. But this is new life-proof
Get him.
carpet from the Home Depot. The stain-resistant technology is built in to help keep tough stains out. Checkmate, Henry. Let's do this. Save up to $100 on your total project, including carpet, patch, and installation. At the Home Depot.
Hey. Look.
Innovative Sonicare technology with up to 27% more brush movements versus Oral-B. Get healthier gums in 2 weeks guaranteed. Innovation in you. Philips Sonicare. Save when you buy the most loved rechargeable toothbrush brand in America. Bonjour. We shave, yes. I've been using you for weeks. You're crusty and you smell crusty like a baguette. Good. And the smell is very natural. I should change blades. Oh, sure, Monsieur Big Bucks. New blade today, new chalet tomorrow, eh? Enough. We shave. Up and down your blade. We shave on the left. Don't shave with a filthy razor because new ones are so expensive. Dollar Shave Club. Amazing razor for a few bucks. Shave with a fresh blade anytime. Try DollarShaveClub.com. ChristianMingle.com is more than a dating site. It's a place where over 15 million good people have joined for free to find their soulmate. That one special person who lets you be you, who shares your passions, your values, and your dreams. ChristianMingle.com is where good people find good people. It's easy and it's free. Join ChristianMingle.com for free right now. Start mingling today. Long before the sniper pulls the trigger on the battlefield, you must master the art of kill shot on a firing range. You would qualify on these
Fail.
pieces of paper.
Come get it again. Yeah. Come on. Come on.